how to choose hashtags based on your account. So as promised, I am back with this video in which I am going to help you choose hashtags that will help you grow in your reach and gain you more followers. If you haven't watched my previous video, it will be linked in the cards or the description. Go check that out later. Hi guys, I'm Ravina Patel, a full-time digital marketer, a business and lifestyle coach, and I make videos based on digital marketing, business mindset and lifestyle. So if you're not new to my channel, please go hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new YouTube video. Done? So let's get started. Basically, Instagram has this reach and it has this followers and Instagram hashtag set that will only work if you figure it out how to use them for your account specifically. I am going to help you a little bit based on the follower count and what type of hashtags your follower count should be using. Your account should be using. So I will be looking into my notes, so spare me to let you know the exact numbers, because there's a lot of numbers and it will drive me crazy if I'm going to memorize it and say it out loud. Yeah, I'm already acting crazy. Whew. So if you have an account that is just started, that is 0 to 1000 followers, you want to use hashtags with 100 to 1000 posts. This will help you reach and connect with accounts with a similar niche, and also it will gain you followers from other accounts having a similar niche. So you will have niche audiences. The other type of follower count is 1000 to 5000 followers, where you are moderately growing. There you want to use hashtags with 5k to 90k posts in them, varying with a few more of the lesser range, like more of 4k, 5k, 10k hashtags, rather than using most of the 90k hashtags. That will not show you in the recent hashtags or the top post of the same hashtag. So you want to use less of the 90k side but more of the lower range ones to gain reach and followers based on your niche. The other one is 5000 to 10,000 followers, in which you are going to use a mix of 5k to 90k hashtags with 100k post hashtags. So again, here you're going to keep the 100k hashtags very less. You are going to mostly focus on hashtags that range from 5k, 10k, 20k, and till 50k. I suggest till 50k is enough, the maximum, because that will bring the maximum reach to your account in the initial stage of being at 10,000 followers. But using 100k hashtags will help if you have a high engagement rate already on your Instagram profile. So if your engagement is high, I suggest you go for minimum 100k post hashtags. Whew, too many numbers for me. I will make a post that will where I will help you create sets for a particular account. So stay tuned, hit the bell icon. This video will be up Sunday. So coming to the huge accounts, that is 10k and 100k. These accounts should use hashtags with the range of 100k to 500k posts, and then you have to use 500k posts less so that you can rank higher. The chances of ranking in the top post once you have 100k in a 100k post hashtag will increase. So use more of 100k hashtags in your account. So coming to the bonus tip, always remember that you are allowed only 30 hashtags per post, so use them wisely. I suggest that you make a group of community hashtags, subject hashtags, as well as trending hashtags. So you have to keep a track of which hashtags is trending in your niche, and you can mix them up for a good reach value, good reach volume. Example is, if I'm running a library and I have an Instagram page, my community hashtags will be bookworm, book club. Subject hashtags will be an author's name or a book's name, and through which people can find me, who someone who is reading this book can find this post. And another is trending hashtags. So if an author is trending, a bookstore is trending, a book character is trending, you can use those hashtags as well to increase your reach as a library. So if you've watched till now, thank you so much for watching. I will be making more valuable videos based on Instagram and digital marketing. So don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments what all you want to know more about Instagram reach, hashtags, whatever it is. Just let me know and I will make a video on that. Bye guys, till next time.